Ready to transform your posing skills in just 2 minutes? It's 2 minutes posing Saturday time, and today's episode, it's a game changer. I'm going to walk you through the art of retouching, making sure your boudoir photos look flawless yet natural. Let's start the transformation. Today we're exploring a stunning pose that I often like to use at the start of a shoot. Here's how it's done. I ask our model to sit in front of the couch and slide back until she can comfortably lean her back against it while maintaining a nice and upright upper body position. We position her legs so the one closer to me is more bent than the other, which is placed underneath it. It's important to me that the leg placed to the side is completely relaxed, with the feet and toes stretched out, and if possible the heel of the more bent leg is slightly raised. I choose the hand placement where they are crossed over the knees. Now I ask our model to look directly at me and the camera and give me a big smile. The light in our case comes from the right side, from our beautiful large window front, providing only natural light. Curious to see how you manage this pose? Send me your photo via the link in the video description. Camera settings for this shot: as we are working with side lighting and focusing on the contrast between highlights and shadows, I shoot with an aperture of f2.8. The shutter speed is at 1/200th of a second and the ISO is set at 3200. Turn every photo into a masterpiece with the Boudoir Secrets Ultimate Pack presets, specially designed for Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop. I start the photo editing by adjusting the white balance. Color temperature in our studio is set at 5500 with a tint of 15. I then review different presets from our Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack and opt for the black and white look with the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Black and White Bright preset. This preset creates a beautiful and classic appearance, and many of our clients adore black and white images. Next, I check the exposure and contrast. The highlights are just a bit too bright for my liking, so I reduce them by 10. And I also remove a light switch and a small spot on the floor using the healing tool. To achieve an even more beautiful skin tone, I select the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Portrait Soft Skin presets and adjust its strength down to 50. And there you have it, our gorgeous boudoir photo is complete. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Stay tuned for the next episode in our series. And remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell. That way you won't miss any of our available lessons.